guys, welcome to Vlogtober day 13. I have just left Rachel's house, just got up and packed and got ready basically this morning. Nothing crazy happened. Me and Zach are now headed for lunch with his family, which will be nice. I'm looking forward to some food because I haven't eaten yet today, and I think I really need to eat. And then I'm going to end the vlog and then we're going to head home. So yeah, it's probably going to be quite a long day today, but yeah, I'm not really looking forward to the drive home on a trafficy Sunday. But maybe, I don't know, I don't really want to leave too late.
That one.
Another shot of me in the car. So we have just left Zach's house, just obviously edited the vlog, got that uploaded, and then just sat and had a little chat before we leave. We're off home, can't wait to be home. I am feeling so tired after my exploits this weekend. I can't handle it anymore, you guys. And the older I get, just the worse these hangovers become. Just feeling dizzy all day. I mean, what is wrong with me? Anyway, how long is it saying?
3 hours, 50 minutes.
3 hours, 50 minutes. Pray for us, you guys. What time will we arrive home then?
Probably 9.
So I'm definitely gonna watch Strictly when I get in. Can't wait. Guys, so I just got home and there are lots of packages for me to go through, not all of which I have opened, but I thought I had to open this Free People parcel. They really kindly sent me a jacket that I said that I really liked when I was at their press day the other week. I'm in love with it. It's like the perfect oversized shape. It reminds me of an Urban Outfitters one that I really love. It's so soft on the outside, and it's also got this super soft lining. It's like wearing a massive blanket. I am obsessed. So you can expect to see me in this all the time. So guys, it is time for me to go to bed. I know that today's vlog's probably been one of my shortest ones yet, but I promise it will not happen again this month. It was just, yeah, today pretty much nothing happened. Today I've just been feeling really tired and a bit hungover obviously, and it was another long drive, and it wasn't even a very pretty drive because it was mostly motorways. I couldn't really show you guys any of that. But yeah, got lots of fun things planned, and hopefully general life should be a little bit quieter over the next few weeks now. I can do a few more things on my to-do list because I was getting a bit stressed on Friday because we just haven't had the time to do anything that I really wanted to do this month. But I think I just needed to be patient and wait for things to calm down a little bit, because obviously in the first week of Vlogtober we were doing our shoot. Second week my dad was around, so we didn't spend as much time working as we usually would. So yes, I just needed to wait, but I was getting impatient about doing lots of the things that I have on my list. Like obviously I wanted to do the wardrobe clear out, which I wasn't able to do last week. And that's just the start of quite a long process because my mum is having her room done soon. So she's going to be moving into the spare room, and I use the spare room quite a lot for filming. It's kind of the wardrobe process is the beginning of a long process with the house, because Zach and I would like to transform the house a little bit, just rip up the carpets, get rid of the wallpaper, clean it up a little bit, and use it as an office space and as a filming space, and also as a space where we can move at least some of the stuff up here into the house so that we can, yeah, just have a bit more room here, because we're paying a mortgage on a house that we're currently not living in or really using. So that would be great. So yeah, the whole thing, so we're going to do a wardrobe clear out, clear up the house, move some stuff over there, set up an office, set up a filming space, and hopefully that will make a big difference. But that process is quite long, and there's a few things that we want to retrieve from the farm. My mum's got a couple of big gold mirrors that we had in the last house we were in, which are being donated to us, and I thought they would also look nice for our filming space. All of that kind of needs to be retrieved and sorted and stuff. So lots of things on the general life to-do list, as well as other bits and bobs which I will I'm sure reveal to you over the course of the next few weeks. It's been a busy couple of weeks, I have to say. I am pretty tired. I'm hoping to kind of take it easy-ish tomorrow. Monday tends to be mine and Zach's planning day. We'll probably sit down somewhere and just go through do our bullet journals, go through our plans for the week, decide what to prioritise and all of that kind of stuff. But yeah, wardrobe clear out is really top of my list because I don't like things to get messy up here. It grinds my gears and makes me feel uncomfortable and demotivates me. But I have been letting things slide a little bit because I think I said this on the first day of Vlogtober. Because we have the house and I feel like we're moving in at some point in the near future, even though actually I think it's going to take quite a long time. So I've been letting things slide that I usually wouldn't. Like, I've not been quite as on it as usual, and also because we've been away, so packing and unpacking and packing and unpacking and packing and unpacking is just makes me crazy inside. Yes, it doesn't make me want to keep putting things away when I have to pack them again 2 minutes later. So yeah, everything needs a big clear out so that I can make sure everything's looking neat and nice again. It's probably going to be the last big clear out we do, like big one, but that will also take some time, so I don't know whether to do that all this week because obviously I don't want to bore you guys to death because real clear outs take days and days and days. So we'll see. I'll try and strike a balance there so that you're not too bored with me. But yeah, like I said also at the beginning of Vlogtober, like I'd like to try on quite a lot of my clothes. There's loads of clothes that I haven't tried on and I'm like, no, I'm going to keep this because I might come back and wear it, but I really need to try it on just to see. At the same time, I do have a bit of a problem getting rid of stuff. My mum got rid of loads of amazing stuff that, if we think about it now, have like really come back in fashion and would be amazing to wear now. So I like have the fear of getting rid of things and then it coming back in fashion and me being like, but I mostly need to get rid of stuff I've worn lots and lots and lots, and that is really beginning to look like it's been worn lots and lots. And that stuff needs to go, I think. And of course I'll recycle all of that as well. For those sorts of things, I think, which are really nice pieces but may have gone out of fashion, or I've just, kind of overworn them for now, I think I will probably put them in storage. Now, I assume you guys remember that we have a big basement in the new house. And I think once it's all like tanked and everything, so it's all weatherproof and it's not quite so creepy down there, I'm definitely going to do some rails or cupboards down there, probably cupboards so that they're protected from, being spiderwebbed to death or whatever. And I'm going to do like seasonal swap outs and stuff and just keep some bits down there that I can kind of go back to after a year or two when I've, stopped wearing them so much. But I think it'll be really good to use that, to have that space as like a secondary space so that we can keep the normal wardrobe space a bit more like refined in terms of what's in it, especially in summertime when I've got like 30 coats hanging around. It's just completely useless. So yeah, really looking forward to that space being usable. Just watched RuPaul's Drag Race UK, which I enjoyed, and now I'm probably going to watch a little bit of Strictly, but it is getting late. But I also do want to catch up on my programmes because I'm old like that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching today. I'm sorry that it's not been the most wonderful vlog in the world. I will be back this week, back on form, back to normality on the vlog front. Yeah, looking forward to it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.